Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now my beautiful friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions of the Bittorrent coin. What's the price change goes in Bittorrent, what's the high price of Bittorrent, and what is the current status of Bittorrent in the cryptocurrencies markets. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest videos notification friends. First of all, I will show you the last 1 hour price predictions. In this video I will show you the last 1 and 2 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1-2 hour in a Bittorrent coin. For more details, I also upload latest videos check on my channel about a Bittorrent. What's the change occur in the last 7 days, last 1 month, and last 1 day. So in this video I will talk you shortly in the last 1 hour, last 2 hour price predictions, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell, or hold Bittorrent coin. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, the live price predictions of the Bittorrent at this time in the market is negative 1.16% change I mean false occur in a Bittorrent coin. 1.16% falls down Bittorrent coin in the last 1 hour now in the market, and the high price of Bittorrent is about $0.008645 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour. That is the live price prediction of Bittorrent coin. The chart tell us that now it's a falling period of the Bittorrent coin all starts now. Now let's see the last 2 hour price predictions. What's the change goes and the last 2 hour friends. As you can see here, the last 2 hour price predictions tell us that we can't believe on the 1 hour change in any cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, the last 1 hour change in a Bittorrent are in the negative. As I show you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour price change is a negative, and if we look the last 2 hour price, so the last 2 hour price is in positive. So that's mean the cryptocurrencies change your time in minutes. As they start explosion, they change your life. So that's mean they change your life in a minute. So don't sell it and don't buy it when you're taking this decision. So very think before this taking this decision. Friends, the average change occur in the Bittorrent in the last 2 hours is a positive 0.31%, and the high price of Bittorrent is about $0.008645. So friends, don't worry about the falling of the Bittorrent, which I show you in the start of this video, the last 1 hour price change. As you can see, they take a jump in a 1 minute. So don't sell it at this time because they are now in the falls when they start explosion. So sell it when they start explosion, sell it easily. It's a simple task. When they start explosion, sell it, but when they start explosion highly, that's not mean they falls down for 100 and they take after 100 falls they take a 5 explosion. So no, when they take after a 10 falls they take a 20 explosion. So sell it. That's how you can make money with the cryptocurrencies markets. So for more details, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for new videos notification and cryptocurrencies guidelines. Thank you so much.